Um, is this seat free?
Oh, yes, go ahead.
Thanks. Can I pay by card?
Oh, yes, of course.
Great, thank you. Which shirt should I wear?
The blue one looks better.
I'll wear that one. Are the flowers watered?
Yes, I watered them this morning.
Wonderful. Hello. A table for two?
Oh, no, just for one, please.
Right this way. Where are the car keys?
They're next to the flower vase.
Perfect. Is the coffee ready?
Yes, it's ready.
Great. Is the soup hot?
Yes, it's ready to eat.
Perfect. I'll set the spoons.
Did you feed the cat?
Yes, about an hour ago.
Good. Which bread is fresh today?
Aha! The one on the top shelf.
Wonderful. Thank you. Can you see my hat?
It's hanging behind your coat.
Thanks. Do you know which platform Train 5 leaves from?
Aha! Platform 7.
Oh, thank you very much.
Do you sell stamps here?
Oh, yes, we do.
Great. I'd like 5, please.
Do I need a library card?
Yes. You need one to borrow books.
Aha! I'd like to get one.
My prescription is ready, right?
Yes, it's ready for you.
Ah, that's good to hear. Is the window open?
No, it's closed.
All right. Is there any milk?
Yes, there's one bottle.
Excellent.
Whose book is this?
It's mine.
I thought so.
Are the cookies homemade?
Yes, I baked them today.
They smell wonderful.
What's in the fridge? What's in the fridge?
Milk, cheese, and some leftovers. Milk, cheese, and some leftovers.
Dad, where is the milk? Dad, where is the milk?
The milk is in the fridge. The milk is in the fridge.
Can you help me set the table? Can you help me set the table? Of course, you can put the plates down.
Of course, you can put the plates down.
How do I turn on the stove? How do I turn on the stove?
Press the button and turn the knob to the right. Press the button and turn the knob to the right.
What's for dinner today? What's for dinner today?
We're having pasta with tomato sauce. We're having pasta with tomato sauce.
Where are the spoons? Where are the spoons?
The spoons are in the top drawer. The spoons are in the top drawer.
Can I have some water? Can I have some water?
Yes, glasses are in the cabinet. Yes, glasses are in the cabinet.
Do I need to wash my hands? Do I need to wash my hands?
Yes, always wash your hands before eating. Yes, always wash your hands before eating.
Is dinner ready? Is dinner ready?
Not yet, it will be ready in 10 minutes. Not yet, it will be ready in 10 minutes.
Can I help you cook? Can I help you cook?
Yes, you can stir the soup slowly. Yes, you can stir the soup slowly.
Where do the dirty plates go? Where do the dirty plates go?
Put them in the sink, please. Put them in the sink, please.
How much salt should I add? How much salt should I add?
Just a small pinch is enough. Just a small pinch is enough.
Can I use the microwave? Can I use the microwave?
Yes, but be careful, it's hot. Yes, but be careful, it's hot.
Where is my cup? Where is my cup?
Your cup is on the shelf. Your cup is on the shelf.
Is the food too spicy? Is the food too spicy?
No, it's just right for you. No, it's just right for you.
Who will wash the dishes? Who will wash the dishes?
We will wash them together. We will wash them together.
Can I have some juice? Can I have some juice?
Yes, the juice is in the fridge. Yes, the juice is in the fridge.
How do I use the dishwasher? How do I use the dishwasher?
First, rinse the plates, then put them in. First, rinse the plates, then put them in.
Where are the napkins? Where are the napkins?
The napkins are in the drawer by the sink. The napkins are in the drawer by the sink.
Why do we need to eat vegetables? Why do we need to eat vegetables?
They make you strong and healthy. They make you strong and healthy.
Is breakfast ready? Is breakfast ready?
Yes, come to the kitchen now. Yes, come to the kitchen now.
Can I crack the eggs? Can I crack the eggs?
Yes, but do it gently over the bowl. Yes, but do it gently over the bowl.
Where do we keep the sugar? Where do we keep the sugar?
The sugar is in the cabinet next to the fridge. The sugar is in the cabinet next to the fridge.